In this video, I will show you how to recover your Mobile Legends account. So let's get straight into it. First, what you need to do is open up a new mobile browser and you want to come across to google.com. In the Google search box, go ahead and type Mobile Legends support email and then just scroll down until you get to the People Also Ask section. Now go ahead and click onto the How Do I Contact Mobile Legends Support and you're going to get to the email address. So what you want to do first is copy this email address and then what you want to do is come across to your email account. Now I just want to note that you need to send an email from the email account that is linked to your Mobile Legends account. So what you want to do is open up a new email and paste that email address into the send box. In subject, go ahead and put recover account. And then in the actual email, you want to put something like this. So it doesn't have to be word for word, but just something similar to this. Hi, please, can you help me recover my Mobile Legends account? My details are as follows. Then what you need to do is put your username and your email address, also a phone number if you had one linked to your account, and your last logged in location. Once that's done, just go ahead and put thanks and send that through. And what Mobile Legends will do, will reply back to you and go through some security checks and help you to recover your account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.